Do you believe it is possible to build and sustain a high-performance team and culture in today's workplace? Hi, I'm Monteiro. I'm a speaker at Clear Concept, and I'm passionate about helping people thrive at work so they can perform at their best. One of the programs I absolutely love facilitating is our High Performance Teams program. The program is grounded in 4 different elements: trust, engagement, autonomy, and meaning. This is such a relevant topic now that we have fewer opportunities to naturally build connections. How does a team build trust? How do we increase engagement? We know this affects both results and retention. How do we give team members the autonomy they crave while balancing the accountability? How do we connect every single person's job to the overall mission of the organization and empower them to work in a very purposeful way? We share a wealth of practical strategies around each of these key pillars, and we weave in some great research-based storytelling, which I absolutely love. Building high-performance teams requires deliberate focus on evidence-based strategies. This is how we achieve outstanding results, and this is how we thrive as a team and as individuals. I'm proud to be a speaker at Clear Concept, helping people do their best work.